All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to another wonderful tutorial class. Now we want to look at a very wonderful question from chemistry. The question is to calculate the numbers of moles in 5.60 grams of Na2CO3, the sodium triacylcarbonate 4, where Na is equal to 23, C is equal to 12, and O is equal to 16. That is their respective atomic masses. So the atomic mass are something like given. So what you have to do now is just to calculate the numbers of moles present in that compound Na2CO3, and many moles of what mass of it, just 5.606 grams of this particular compound. Now we're going to solve this question we're going to say gently. So what you have to do is just to ensure you don't distract yourself by any means. And please let me also beg you, ensure you don't skip any part of this video. Don't distract yourself, and please also try your best to like the video. So just like the video. We don't cost you anything to do that, and also share the video to others. Try and subscribe if you have not done so. That is, everything here is free. So let's look at this question now. All right, from the question we are having, we're told that we should look for the numbers of moles in what? In the 5.60 grams of sodium triacylcarbonate 4. So this is the question. So what are we going to do here now? So remember, I told you guys that numbers of moles, which is the amount of substance, is equals to mass over molar mass from the first video we did. They also said numbers of moles is equal to numbers of particles divided by Avogadro's number. So these are the two equations or formulas we have derived so far from this concept, or this the classes we have been doing. So if you know you have not watched other videos concerning this mass and amount of substance calculation, I'm going to watch other videos, amount of substance by the Best Academy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this or this to unravel this mystery. So if we check very well, we don't have the numbers of particles here. We just have mass and the molecular formula of this compound. So I told you, from molecular formula now, we can get molar mass. So we can get this molar mass from molecular formula. So that means indirectly we were given mass and molar mass. So what we need to do now, we don't need to use this because there's no need, because there's no number of particles. So this will not be needed here. No, this will not be needed. We are going to use this to solve this problem. So how are we going to use this? The first thing, we already know the mass is this. This is the mass. The next thing now is to get this molar mass from this place. So let's get that molar mass. Let's try and get that molar mass to see what we are going to have. Now let's try and get the molar mass. Now we are having Na2CO3. So I'm going to do it gently so that you see it. So the molar mass will be equal to, now what is the mass number for this Na? We're given it in the question, it was 23. So you replace this Na with 23, then this 2 here will still remain there. Then plus, what is it for C? In the question, they said is C is 12, equal to 12. Then plus, what is the molar mass for this oxygen? 16 on the question. 16. Then if you check, we have 3 here. That 3 will still remain there. It will not go anywhere. So what we are going to do now, we're going to do 23 times 2 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. So that's going to give us 106. It's going to give us 106 grams per mole. 106 grams per mole. So this is the molar mass of this compound, which is temperature vocabulary for. So what is next we are going to do now? The next thing to do is to calculate the numbers of mole. Now, since we know the molar mass to be 106 grams per mole, 106 grams per mole, you can also confirm it to see if we are actually in the order. It's very easy to calculate molar mass. So in case we are asked to calculate the molar mass of a compound, we have to do it. We just do 23 times 2 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. So that just give you the answer. So the next thing we are going to do now, let's quickly look at the numbers of mole now. I hope we have confirmed this. Alright, let's go. So let's look at the number of mole now. We said numbers of mole is what? Is equal to mass over what? Molar mass. So what is the mass? Mass is 5.60. That is the mass. Divided by the molar mass we calculated was 106 for that particular compound. So the next thing now is to divide. Divide 5.006, and that is 5.60 by 106. You are going to get approximately 0.05. That is the answer. 0.053 moles, not grams per moles. No. So this is the unit. Is in moles. We're going to have 0.053 moles. That's what we're going to have. So this is the correct thing to do. Yeah. So if I ask you now to look at maybe a very simple question, so mass of so compound, I hope you can do it. All right. Maybe the next question we're going to solve now in our next video will still be the same thing as this. Let me see if you guys will be able to perform there. So thank you.